Today we're going to make this adorable little caticorn. Here are some of the supplies that you need for this project. You need a 3.75 millimeter crochet hook, your scissors, a crochet stopper, a crochet needle, and some buttons. I personally like to use buttons. You are welcome to sew your buttons, but I personally like to hot glue them, so you might want to add a hot glue gun to that list. The yarn that we're going to use today is this light blue baby yarn. If you're curious to see which one I'm using Patton's Beehive Baby Sport. White yarn, pink yarn, yellow yarn, black yarn, all in the same size, and some stuffing. Let's go ahead and get started. So that concludes our Caticorn tutorial. The one that we assembled together is over on the left, and the one that I put in my introduction video is over on the right. I do want to acknowledge the elephant in the room when it came to this project. The one on the left is slightly taller and skinnier than the one on the right, and I do believe it is because while I was crocheting the head, I might have missed a few stitches, causing it to be a little bit skinnier than what the project says or what the pattern says. And I think that's kind of a learning lesson that comes with being a crocheter or someone who makes handcrafted goods. And sometimes when you make a small mistake on your project, it can alter its appearance. So I do love both of my caticorns. I do feel like they are adorable, and I'm hoping that since they look slightly different, that you don't hold this against me. And in the future, when I do my tutorials, I'll try to be very careful about how I assemble my products. So I hope you learned a lot. I hope that you are able to make this adorable creation, and I want to thank you for being here, and you guys have a great day.